Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to bring you a very interesting update on Polkadot. There's so many interesting things going on in the market right now, so many interesting things going on with Polkadot. Jesus Christ, it's been an absolute tear, absolutely pumping. We have Mess in here to help us break this down. What is up, man?
What up, guys? I think right now we're breaking up, 36% up,
Really? How can
right?
you tell?
I don't know. I just have a feeling, man. I just have a feeling. I don't even look at those charts anymore.
Yeah.
But I think, granted, right now we do have a nice retracement going on, and I call it nice because it's healthy. You don't want this shit. This shit, my bad. You don't want this to keep on going up. A healthy retracement. That's what we're trying to find out right now. We still cannot call it yet. We need to give us some time. But we just got some price predictions for you at the moment. So
Yeah.
if you want to start with it, I'll
Well,
let you
hey,
have it.
I called this shit, right? Hey, man, like I was talking about Polkadot a few days ago, descending triangle here. I said the breakout point. I literally said, I remember it now, that Polkadot could be forming a bull flag. And if we break out, take the height of the flag, take it to the breakout point, and I said we could go to like the $20 level. And guess what? We're just about there. This may even have some more gas in its tank. Also, something very interesting to mention is we were in this pitchfork pattern here that we seem to be breaking out bullishly out of, which is immensely interesting. If we can hold above this pitchfork, we may not. We may retrace back down into it. But if we can maintain above the pitchfork, like above $18, this looks super, super bullish, in my opinion.
Definitely.
Yeah.
No, I think right now, even if the fact that it actually broke is actually crazy.
Yeah.
We are seeing those long wicks to the bottom. Buyers are still coming in for Polkadot. Although it's overextended, we're still seeing people trying to come in, but I still think we're gonna have a retracement. So in terms of a retracement, I think maybe somewhere around the first stop is the $16 and 50
Yeah.
cents.
Makes sense.
Second stop, the more more supported, I would say somewhere around the $15 is somewhere where we might not even go all the way down there, to be
No,
honest.
we
But I
might
think
not.
there's a lot of support as we go down.
Oh, if Polkadot fell to $15, I would definitely want to buy some more myself personally. Like, guys, a lot of sideways price action here, a lot of peaks. It was very price reactive, a lot of volume being traded here. And based off the 1 hour, if we assume time would pass on, the 100 EMA on the 1 hour would be like around the $15 level, like around $14. So if we get within this box, kind of $15 to 14.30, sorry, I would personally be looking to accumulate some more.
Yeah, no, 100%. That's what I'm actually trying to do right now. I'm not trying to tell you to buy it, but buying it. But if you keep going down right now, I think we still can't call the top. It could still pump up right now. You never know, right?
Yeah.
As Bitcoin goes down and all the money's being moved to all the altcoins, we're going through that cycle again. It looks like it is starting. Granted, it might just all crash back down right now. We're not really saying, put your money in or anything like
Don't
that, but
FOMO.
just keep an eye out. Keep an eye out right
Yeah.
now for a nice dip to happen. And if you're actually trying to accumulate, I would say maybe just give it a couple, maybe till the end of the day, today, tomorrow, just try to see where everything, because those indicators right now are telling us that, hey, we're trying to go sideways or just have a bit of retracement going.
Yeah.
This is still fresh. It's happening right now. On the 1 hour, the R size in the oversold region, it is ticking down. We're having a bit of no signs of a lower high as we go. Stochastics all the way in the bottom. It looks like right now at this second we do have more buyers as opposed to sellers, even though we're extremely extended.
Yeah.
We could have another leg up, but I just wouldn't call it right now, to be honest.
Yeah, it's hard to call. We don't really see a clear pattern. We're really just going up, higher highs, higher lows. So I'm going to consider, though, the volume really decreasing. And last time we dropped, we found support on the 50 EMA here on the hourly, which right now lines up at like $15.20. But assuming some time passes on, like you mentioned before, $16 kind of makes sense. So, I think maybe like a dollar cost averaging approach makes sense. We don't know if and when we're going to get a pullback or to the extent of that pullback. So whatever dip we get, I think that's what I'm personally going to be, looking into is like, buying a small amount each dip, because we don't know exactly when the
Right.
dips will be and the extent of the dips. But, a dip would make some sense at this point. We just don't know the
Yeah.
extent to it.
And one last thing, I guess, before we wrap this up, on the 30 minute, right? If on the 30 minute, if we're looking at just momentum, strictly momentum, in terms of the MACD and all that, we're seeing that those times where we're above, right? Those times where we're above on the bullish momentum side, we're having lower highs as we go. So as we move forward, we're decreasing in terms of momentum as we move sideways and with time. And even every time we go back down, we're spending more time on the bottom as we go. So it looks like we are right now, in terms of just momentum strictly, they're telling us that we are trying to go down, but then you obviously have those long-term holders, the people that don't, I guess, look at this in a more of a technical analysis kind of way, that are just probably just flooding money into it regardless. So there's a lot of volatility happening in the market. I still wouldn't trade this right now. I want to see a clear sign of where support versus resistance is, but
Yeah.
something to keep in mind.
Also, when you say momentum, are you referring to the market side for momentum waves?
I was looking at the MACD, but it's the same
Okay.
thing. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it's
just
very
still a
similar.
lot of signs everywhere. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to clear that up just so yeah. Yeah, guys, that's it for me, man. I don't know if you had any last words.
That's it for me too. Make sure you join the Discord. You'll see all this content a lot quicker. We'll post all those screenshots just to keep you updated. And if you're not following us, then you probably just hate making money. So just make sure to press on the link, join us, and
If you
thank you
like
for watching.
money, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell. That's it for now. Take care.